Hey everyone, back with our daily update on our tokenized stock trading on the exchange FTX. Link down in the description. So we started this a few weeks ago, and every week we're adding another stock we're currently trading. But let's run through the current stocks we're trading and see what's happening. Which is making this unique is the fact that some of the stocks you can trade against different cryptocurrencies. As you can see, the first one we're trading is Tesla against Doge. Now all these red and blue arrows is trades that happened. Blue is buying and red is selling. So decent profits all over the place. And currently we got 3 sell take profits in place. We're going to see where we stand. Our buy limit order is gone. That means we need to do a few adjustments. Our buy limit order was on 11,650 Dogecoin. Now we need to put in our sell or take profit. We've got our take profit for this buy limit order which went through is going to be at 11,979. For the ones that doesn't know, I'm a calculator trader. I don't use technical analyst. I do all my trades mathematical. We'll put in our trade, sell take profit comes up, and we need to add a new buy limit order. Just configuring my chart. Our new buy limit order is going to be at 11,102. So we'll see a new buy limit order coming in right beneath our current. I need to change it. It's take profit. I don't want to take profit. I want a buy limit. Readjust it and put it back in place. So our Tesla Doge is back in place. Going to my trading view chart, I need to readjust my lines and put back my alerts so I know which trade is happening when. 11,977. Did I put it in right? 11,979. And that's going to be our first take profit. That line is going to become red. Our current entry level was of our latest trade was 11,630. And our new buy limit order for Tesla Doge is at 11,102. If the market drops, we'll get into the trade again. If the market goes up, we might readjust our buy limits as it takes profit. So that's the first one we started trading. The second one we started trading was SPY. Now SPY is 500 small companies put together all in one. Looking at my trading view chart, currently I don't see, and it doesn't seem like a trade went through. Looking at my chart on FTX, I got 4 sell take profits in place and Y buy limit, which is perfectly and exactly like I currently want it. Then the third one we've been trading is Amazon. We added Amazon after the tokenized split. The white line is with this market dropped, we skipped that buy order. So we have a small gap, but as the market goes back up, we'll readjust and get that back into place. Looking on this chart, it seems like it's all in place. Going to my Amazon on FTX, we can see we got our 5 sell profits in place. According to my sheets, that's correct. And our 1 buy limit order. But the moment Amazon goes up, more or less another $1.20, we'll hit profit again. All my profit lines is calculated on a 3% profit, and I just turn over like a business, buying and selling for profit all the time, bringing me much awarded benefits. And I'm using FTX just for my tokenized stock trading at this stage. The fourth one we're currently trading, on Monday we'll be adding a fifth, is Google. We started trading Google this week, and so far Google didn't do much. Looking at our Google chart, to make sure. We did hit one take profit already. Every time there's a red arrow pointing down, that means there was a sell. And that's an opportunity of profit that's been made. And that's in 1 week already. Our sell take profit is in place and our buy take profit as well. We got 4 stocks we're currently trading. All we need to do, since we've made the adjustment, is make sure our alerts are in place. Looking at Tesla, we're probably going to have to readjust our alerts since one buy limit order went through. So I'm just going to readjust my alerts, make sure they are in place. Our alert is in place for the buy alert, and our sell take profit moves down 1 level. Our alerts for Tesla Dodge all set up. We have our sell take profit limits in place if the market moves up. Looking at SPY, our SPY alerts is still in place. No adjustment needed this morning. Let's have a look at Amazon. Our Amazon alerts also in place, and we're creeping up to that profit. $1.20 more and we'll see profit on Amazon yet again. And finally, our Google alert. Looking at Google, currently pretty stable. We did get profit from Google this week, so can't complain about that. It's just moving on perfectly. Now, since we're trading on FTX and we're slowly but surely building ourselves a portfolio trading the tokenized stocks, leave me your thoughts and comments down below which stock we should be adding on Monday. Every Monday, I'm adding 1 stock. By the end, I would like to trade at least about 20 different ones. As you can see, this is the list of tokenized stocks. I'll go through them slowly so you can see which one you prefer. Leave me a comment down below and let's see which gets preferred the most. The one that I get the most recommendation from, I'll be adding on Monday. Trying to build a decent tokenized portfolio. And another benefit which I like about trading it on FTX is due to the fact that it's 24/7. Weekends, you can trade as well. Have a look at it. Join FTX. The link is down below. It's free to join. Nothing to lose to look at the opportunity. And if you haven't yet, smash that like and subscribe button. Let's keep on trading the safe way. You can devalue, but technically you can't lose the way I'm trading. Have a great one. Take care.